alkaline fungicide. We all know that how much we suffer from working with PDFs, and I have got one of the most useful solutions to merge two PDFs. Like you can see, I have three PDFs, one types of migration, rural urban migration and other forms of migration. These three PDFs work alone. Like one is this, one is this, one is this. No, I want to merge them. I want one PDF for all the three. I've got the solution. Go to Google Chrome. On Google Chrome, you'll have an app. You'll have a website named PDF Merged. I have bookmarked it, and the links in description. This is how PDF Merge looks like. Then we have to choose files. You can choose from anything, but I am going to choose from device. Definitely. So they're in geography folder, and I have the three PDFs, which are other forms of migration, types of migration, and rural urban migration. These three PDFs, and I'm going to open them. Slowly they will be uploaded. Let's wait. Now we have two options: either merge files, arrange the combining entire PDF any way you like, and the merge pages. For this we have to take a subscription, so I don't have, and so normally now I have an option to choose the sequence of them. I am going to choose in this sequence: types of migration, rural urban migration, and other forms of migration. So these three PDFs are going to be merged. Just wait and watch. Now I've got the merged PDF. Now I want to save this PDF to my device. It's as easy as it could be. Now it is getting downloaded. Minimize. Let's go to the spacing. Maximize. And download the PDF would have been saved. I want to rename it like, I will rename the PDF Shots. Nice name. Now I will Control X, and in there the other Control V. Now I have got my chapter 3 charts all in one PDF. Nice. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. Bye bye.